how to export task and project lists. Learn in 2 simple steps how you'll be able to quickly filter projects and clients, export tasks and project lists. These functions are exclusive for users with permission to create and edit projects. Export a task list. Use the Filters feature to quickly search for a specific project or task list. Once found, click on the Export button to obtain the list of tasks associated with the applied filters in Excel format. Export a project list. Within Projects, apply one or more filters and click on the Export button to download a specific project list in Excel format. This allows you to share and carefully analyze the breakdown of tasks and projects.